Good morning, student. Continue with our topic, alkyl group. An alkyl group is obtained by removing one atom of hydrogen from an alkane molecule. So from an alkane molecule, we can remove one hydrogen, then the alkyl group form. Alkyl radicals, alkane, alkyl radicals, molecular formula, abbreviated formula, and the structural formula. Alkane, methane, CH4, here alkyl group, methyl, molecular formula, CH3, one unpaired electron is present here, abbreviated formula, CH3, structural formula, C, H, 3H, and one unpaired electron, ethane, ethyl, C2H5, alkane is C2H6, here CH2, CH3, C, single bond C, here 5H, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this, propane, propyl, C3H7, butane, butyl, C4H9. See the formula here, Cn H2n plus 2 for alkane. When we remove one hydrogen from this alkane by minus one hydrogen, Cn H2n plus 1 alkyl group, here containing one unpaired electron. The general formula of alkyl is Cn H2n plus 1. Methane, remove one hydrogen, convert in methyl CH3. Here alkyl group is named after replacing the suffix an of the alkane with the suffix yl. So ANE removing and YL we are adding in it. All the member of the alkyl group have an unpaired electron. So all the member having an unpaired electron. Functional group. Functional group is defined as an atom of group of atoms joined in a specific manner which is responsible for the characteristic chemical property of the organic compound. Functional groups such as example hydroxyl group, that is OH, used for alcohol, aldehyde group, that is CHO, carboxylic group, COH. Here we will see the more examples. Table 12.5, some examples of the functional group. R represent the alkyl group. We know the formula CnH2n plus 1. Functional group, here halides, X, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. General formula Rx. Haloalkane, suffix ANE. Example with common name and IUPAC name. So common name also and IUPAC name also. CH3Cl, methyl chloride, common name, and chloromethane, IUPAC name. C2H5Cl, ethyl chloride, common name, chloroethane, IUPAC name. Hydroxyl OH group, that is R, OH, alcohol, OL, suffix, example CH3OH, methanol, C2H5OH, ethanol. Aldehyde, CHO, represented like this, aldehydes, Al, methanol, HCHO, ethanol, CH3CHO. Carboxylic, COH, here structure, carboxylic acid, oic acid, CH3COH, ethanoic acid, CH3CH2, COH, propanoic acid, COH group showing that this is the acid group, COH acid group. Ketone, C double bond O, R for alkyl group, C double bond O. Ketone, ONE we are using, CH3CO, CH3. Propanol, C2H5CO, C2H5. Diethyl ketone or pentanol. Ether, COC, here ROR is the general formula. Ether, oxy is used as a suffix. Example, here CH3 methyl O CH3 methyl. So dimethyl ether, IUPAC name methoxymethane. So methoxymethane. Here CH3O C2H5, ethyl, methyl, ether. Common name. Now IUPAC name methoxyethane. Methoxyethane. Characteristics of functional group. The chemical properties of the compound containing the same functional group are similar. So here functional group are identified by using the same type of test. Physical and chemical property of the compound of different functional groups are different. Here there exists a homologous series of compound containing a particular type of functional group. Example, we know that homologous series is containing then CH3OH, C2H5OH, C3H7OH. So here which is a functional group? OH is the functional group, that is a alcohol. Methanol, ethanol, propanol, like this.